Good morning. My name is Sharad Agarwal. I'm the founder of CyberGear and onlywebinars.com. I'm pleased to welcome all of you to today's webinar, How to Use WhatsApp as an Effective Sales Medium to Boost Your Business. This webinar is sponsored and presented by Freshworks. Freshworks provides innovative customer engagement software for businesses of all sizes. The Freshworks cloud-based suite of products is designed to increase collaboration and help teams better connect and communicate with their customers and co-workers. Headquartered in San Mateo, California, Freshworks' 3,000 plus team members work in locations across the world. The company counts north of 50,000 paying customers in its Customer for Life community around the world, including Honda, Bridgestone, Hugo Boss, University of Pennsylvania, Toshiba, Cisco, to name a few. The world as we know it has changed. In the post-COVID scenario, offline businesses are moving online for their very survival. A big part of this digital transformation also depends on the adaptability of technology. In fact, businesses need technology now more than ever before. Accordingly, businesses in Middle East are looking for new ways to sell more and sustain themselves. Now, I would like to introduce you to the speaker for today's webinar. Vaishnavi is the lead partner sales engineer at Freshworks. With over a decade of experience in customer-centric roles in the SaaS space, Vaishnavi works with different global organizations for helping them transform their customer engagement functions. Vaishnavi also spearheads the sales and pre-sales initiatives of the Middle East and Africa region. Vaishnavi's presentation today will be for about 45 minutes, which will be followed by an interactive Q&A session. So I encourage our participants to post their questions in the Q&A tab or the chat window. And by the way, say hi to us on the chat so we know you are there. Please feel free to introduce yourselves, where you are from, which city, because I believe we have a global audience today. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And I'm going to hand it over to Vaishnavi to take this forward. Vaishnavi, over to you.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Good morning to everyone here. Thank you very much for joining the webinar today. And we are really excited from Freshworks to showcase to you the capabilities of the product so that you can enhance your business and boost your sales and so on. So what I'll do is I'll quickly walk you through a PPT and then I'll showcase a live demo of the product as well, where I'll show you how WhatsApp works with Freshdesk, and then wherein you're able to talk to your customer seamlessly and bring him on board to your business as well, right? So you can keep posting all your questions and we'll answer all that towards the end. So let's get started, right? So just a minute, I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. So I hope you're all able to see my screen. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. So first of all, we'll see what is Freshworks doing here, and what are the various products of Freshworks and how it can help you build your business, right? So Freshdesk is an omni-channel customer support platform. It is one of the products of Freshworks. We also have something called Freshsales, our CRM, and there are also 7 more products which can help you in a lot of business units for yourself, right? But in this particular webinar, we'll concentrate especially on WhatsApp and how it can help you. Now, any business will have customers. The customers will come to you and there is an entire customer journey that happens. Freshworks provides products that will guide the customer in the entire customer journey, right? So this could be before the actual purchase of the product or even after the purchase. So we call that as a post-purchase support. Now, before the purchase of the product, we have our fresh sales or our Freshworks CRM, which can, take that particular customer as a contact and guide the customer, or take care of the life cycle of changing the customer of that particular contact, all the way from being a contact to a lead to a customer. Then we have Freshdesk, which is a post-purchase customer support, which takes care of all the queries from the customer after the sales is done. Now, irrespective of these two platforms, customer can come to you in any channel. So he could be coming to you on WhatsApp. He could come to you on your, if you have an e-commerce site, he can come to you on that. He can simply drop you a mail, or he can simply fill out a contact us form on your website and so on. So no matter what channel he comes in, we provide an omni-channel support to the customer. So basically, for the executive in your company, he is going to sit in Freshworks product, whereas the customer will come in any channel that he can. And the response that is sent by the executive in your office is going to go as a response to the customer in the original platform in which he reached out. So that's going to be like if he says hi to your WhatsApp business number, the executive, which could be your sales representative, or it could be a customer support person, if the person can respond to the customer on WhatsApp itself. So this way, we provide an omni-channel support to the customer, right? And we also showcase the entire customer journey to this particular executive who's in your office. When we say the entire the customer history, I'll just showcase to you in a minute. So we showcase the entire timeline. You'll actually see this customer came on WhatsApp today. Yesterday, he visited my site. Day before yesterday, he dropped a mail. And what did he drop? All the entire timeline or the activity of the customer can be seen. So this can give more context to your sales executive and to your customer support person to guide the customer, right? So these are very important things about Freshworks products. Now, let me quickly showcase to you a couple of elements that Freshworks provide before I actually jump into the WhatsApp stuff of things. Just a minute. Now, apart from providing WhatsApp integration, we do provide a lot of other channels, right? For example, let me quickly show you an e-commerce company. So this is an e-commerce company. Now you can see this is business owned, right? So we provide a lot of elements on this particular site, like there's a chat option. So this is where Freshchat comes in. We have our own live chat platform that can be installed on your website. This is also mobile compatible. And we have some nice widgets like this help widget, which can be customized for your page. You can see, it just opens up and then there's a simple ticket form, right? All this is provided by Freshworks, right? So this can be deployed on your site and it can be customized for your own look and feel as well, right? And apart from that, we also provide a contact page. We also provide portals. In the portals, customers can log in. So you can see this is a nice portal that we provide. The look and feel can be absolutely customized for your use case. And apart from that, they can also submit a ticket, right? So let me just go back to this. So like I said, these are the various channels that we provide. We provide customer portal. If you have a support email address, we can actually plug that into Freshdesk. We also provide simple online forms like contact us pages. And of course, we provide integration with social media, Twitter and Facebook. Not just Twitter and Facebook, we even provide integration with Instagram and any other social media that you can think about, right? So basically, when you integrate your social media pages, your business social media pages, all your tweets, Facebook comments, Facebook messages, tweet messages, DMs, everything will be assigned to a particular sales executive or your customer service representative. And that person can reply to the particular tweet, and the reply will go as a tweet reply to the customer, right? So this person, your sales executive or your CSR person, will be using Freshworks products. Now, why should they use Freshworks products, right? Simply because imagine you have one particular page, right? You can have only one login and you can respond to the customer it's just one agent responding to the customer. There is no way, you could be getting hundreds of tweets or hundreds of messages in WhatsApp. There's no way you can have, one person handling all these messages. So for that, if you integrate with Freshdesk, you can assign all these chats to these various executives, and they can take the chats and start responding to them, right? There are various ways of assignment. I'll talk about it in a minute. And moreover, you don't have to share your business credentials with these executives. So they will be using Freshdesk and they'll be responding to the customer, right? And there's a lot of ownership also that goes into each and every message that comes in. And then of course we have, our own Freshchat. And of course we integrate with a lot of callers like Cisco, Havaya, anything that works in the region. And we provide nice widgets, and we provide integration with WhatsApp as well. Okay. So let's go into WhatsApp. I mean, let's say it's the hero of the session today. Now, everyone is talking about WhatsApp. So like everyone wants to be on WhatsApp. If you're a business and you're running, especially retail or travel and hospitality, or, even especially e-commerce, if you do not have a WhatsApp business number, then it's very difficult to help your customers, right? Now, we have customers who come to us and say, hey, I have a WhatsApp number. Now start from scratch. So how do you convert a WhatsApp number into a WhatsApp business number? Now, first of all, you need a WhatsApp business account to make sure you're able to reach out to customers and help them. Once you have a WhatsApp business account, we need to integrate that with Freshchat. Now, why do we integrate? This slide talks about that, right? Why should you integrate your WhatsApp business number with Freshchat? The first reason is multiple agents. Okay. So remember, I talked about the concept of, only one executive being able to reply to the hundreds of social media messages you're getting. That's not, that's not nice, and the person cannot be optimal. Instead, if you have thousands of messages coming in, and you have, at the back end, you have 20 agents, 30 agents who can respond to these messages, and the messages are getting evenly distributed among the agents. It could be based on their skill set. It could be based on their volume and so on. It's very easy to respond to these chats, right? And none of the chat will be missed. This way, you're ensuring a very good customer support that is given to the end customer. And you're also not missing the lead that is coming in, right? Now, there are multiple ways by which you can market your WhatsApp number. I'll show you one of the ways in which our clients has done it. These days, you go to a website, there is a WhatsApp icon on the website. You just click on that, and then the website WhatsApp opens up, and then you start talking with the customer, right? So that's the primary reason why we integrate with Freshchat. One is multiple agents. So you can have multiple executives talking to the customers, and there is a clear ownership of who spoke to which customer and what did they speak. And the second is the skill and volume-based routing. Let's say a customer is saying hi, right? And then you ask the customer, hey, what are you a new customer? Are you a existing customer? And then the customer says, hey, I'm a new customer, and I want to buy your product. So you can assign that particular chat to the right sales executive based on the skill. For example, if you're selling product A and you want to assign it to a particular sales executive who is skilled in product A, who has targets set for product A, then you can do the kind of assignment with that product, right? So all this will be taken care in the backend. I'll show you the product demo also. And second is volume-based routing. What is volume-based routing? So let's say there are 100 chats coming in and you have 20 executives. You can evenly distribute the 100 chats within the group of 20 executives who are skilled in product A. That kind of skill-based assignment and volume-based assignment is possible. And the third is CRM and ticketing integrations, right? Now, this entire chat that has come in, okay, so the agent has replied to the customer and he has closed the conversation. What happens to this now? We can create a ticket out of this entire conversation where the chat history will be copied into the ticket, and you can assign to the right person who can handle the ticket. And the next one is you can actually integrate multiple WhatsApp numbers. Now, we understand there are a lot of conglomerates which will have multiple WhatsApp numbers for multiple businesses. The same Freshchat can be used to integrate with multiple platforms. And bots is another important thing. I mean, it's something that has been selling like anything in Middle East and Africa, especially simply because, given the recent pandemic issues and so on, instead of a sales executive talking to the customer in WhatsApp, you can actually have a bot talk to the customer on WhatsApp. Now, when a bot talk to the customer, it's pretty seamless. The bot can have a one-on-one conversation, actually drill down and find out what is this customer and what can we do with the customer, and create a ticket for you. It can do whatnot, right? It can actually integrate with third-party systems also. I'll show you the bot's capability in the next slide. And of course, last is dashboards and reports, right? When I say reports, customers come to you on WhatsApp. There's no way you will see, I got 20 leads today from WhatsApp. I actually had so many sales coming because of WhatsApp business number. Those kind of reports and dashboards can also be set with Freshchat, right? Of course, you can perform all this and much more in our omni-channel Freshdesk account or any other CRM as well. Let's move on. So whenever there is a WhatsApp chat that comes into Freshchat, this is the entire life cycle, right? I mean, it's a very simplified life cycle, but I just want to, show you how seamless is it. You can source chat from multiple platforms. Of course, in this case, we're going to source it from WhatsApp. You can intelligently assign them to agents. When I say intelligently assign, it's going to be based on their skill set. We call it as, a smart assignment or an intelligently assign rule. Basically, rules can be set inside the bots for that. And then the agents will respond to the chat conversations. So usually we recommend the bots to be there when a customer says hi, where the bot will be, able to resolve the conversation on its own. Worst case, we will assign that to an agent in the backend, or if needed, we will assign it to the agent in the backend who will respond to the chat conversation and create a lead out of the system or create a ticket out of the system and so on. And towards the end of the conversation, of course, we resolve the particular chat and get feedback from the customer. This is the simplified chat lifecycle inside Freshchat for WhatsApp, right? Now, let's talk about chat scaling with Freshbot, okay? So this is something that we have. So we have our own Freshbot platform, which we call it as Freddy. Freddy is our AI tool that can integrate with any platform, not just WhatsApp. It can even integrate with your, Facebook Messenger and so on. So it's a one-stop place. It's an AI platform, but the best part is it's a codeless platform. So you don't have to know coding and all, to build this platform. In fact, if you have a flow in mind and if you know what your bot has to do for you, then we can configure the platform for you, and we will actually train you. And it's pretty easy and straightforward to use. So you'll be able to do the bot flows yourself. It's as simple as that, right? Now, what does Freshbot do, right? I'll quickly show you a live demo, okay? So this is a customer of us in India. So you can see this customer is a mobile selling or electronic selling company. And you can see they marketed their WhatsApp sign on their website like this. So generally businesses do that. So when I click on this, you can see the web WhatsApp will open. So it's Freddy in the backend that's working here. So you can see the hi message is already typed, and I'm just going to send the hi here. So immediately after I say hi, Freddy kicks in, our AI bot, and you can see there are options that is showcased to the customer, right? You can see there is a welcome message, and you can see there's press 1, press 2. So I just want to know what's the nearest store. So I'm going to press 1. So it's asking for the PIN code. So here it is talking to some third-party systems in the backend to find out the relevant stores based on my PIN code, right? So once I enter my PIN code, you can see that there are some options for the stores where I can go ahead and go do some purchase, right? Now, you can actually take the location from the customer and even send the stores near based on the location from the customer. And, I just do one more flow. Right? And let's say I'm going to do a product inquiry. So I'm going to ask about Samsung. So you can see this entire flow is configured in the backend, right? And I'm going to ask about Galaxy Fold. Now there is a product catalog. So you can see there is a click to buy option directly sent to the customer, right? I can quickly click on this and it'll open and I can go ahead and complete my purchase, right? Now this bot flow can be customized to an extent where, you can complete the entire buying journey and send the payment link to the customer and complete the payment and send the invoice to the customer. So that level of bot configuration is possible. So this is a live capability. Now, so this entire chat conversation will be picked up inside in the backend within Freshworks product, that is Freshchat. So you can see all these WhatsApp conversations coming into Freshchat right here. Now, this is another account. So you're able to see other bot conversations. So this is one more POC that we did. So once it is assigned to an agent, the agent can pick it up right here and he can talk to the customer. So let me go ahead and send to that account also. So when I send hi, so you can see this message is picked up right here. You can see because it's WhatsApp, there are other things that we pick up, like the name of the customer, the phone number of the customer as well. And there is also a bot capability. So now the agent can continue talking to the customer. Of course, here there is no bot flow, whereas the other one, you were able to see the bot flow, right? So when I send this, immediately I'll get a WhatsApp message, right? So you can see there is a seamless integration between Freshchat and WhatsApp. Just a minute. Yeah. So I hope this is clear. So I'll just quickly summarize the capabilities now. Now, what all did we see now? Okay, so we engage the customer. When they say hi on WhatsApp, we engage them with a bot flow. So how do we do this? Now, I also want to show you Freddy, the AI platform in the backend, which is responsible for all these things, right? So Freddy is a bot builder. So this is where, so you can see it's a very seamless, codeless platform. So I've published a couple of flows here. You can see I published a flow for another POC account. And it works based on conditions and paths. So I can set up a welcome message. I can type the messages that I want to showcase to the customer. I can build APIs. I can configure a lot of things here, parameters, etc. And one more thing is, one big question that our customers ask in the Middle East and Africa is that, does the bot support Arabic? Now, everything that you saw right now is supported in Arabic as well. So if you want the customer to talk to the bot in Arabic, yes, it is possible. If you want the agent interface, that is, the Freshchat account here to be in Arabic, yes, it is possible. So everything is supported in Arabic, and it's all seamless in Arabic as well, right? And our bots can actually support up to 40 languages. So Arabic is one of that. And you can see this entire platform, right? So this is another POC that we did. I'll just quickly preview this. So there's a welcome message, and there'll be also a language option that will be showcased to the customer if needed. So I'm just going to view bill. So you can see even the bill amount. So basically this Freddy is talking to the third-party system in the backend, which is the electricity management system. And then it's able to give my, the amount outstanding, the bill amount for me in my bot. Okay, so this is another POC. So these are various flows, and it can be deployed in all channels, like I told you, right? So now back to the PPT. So yeah, you can assign bot flows. This bot flow could be based on channel. It could be based on customer type. It could be based on customer location. You can name it in, if you want. If there was a specific customer who came to us and said, the customer is going to ping us, and also our drivers who are going to deliver the product to the customer is going to ping us. And they told us if it's a driver, then we want a different flow. So we even read the WhatsApp number, and we were able to set a different flow for the customer for the drivers, right? So we are able to assign a bot flow. We are able to do that by conditions and paths. Customer clicks 1, do this. Customer clicks 2, do this. Customer inputs a QID number or electricity bill number. You talk to the third-party system, send that particular value, do an API call, and return the value, right? We trigger APIs basically. So using this, you can actually showcase the last 3 orders or the payment updates. When it comes to triggering APIs, we also do proactive updates to the customer. So, in WhatsApp today, even if you book a flight ticket, you get your ticket on WhatsApp. We call it as proactive messages, where the customer is not reaching out to you, but you are proactively reaching out to the customer by sending him updates. Time and again, there is always a question if marketing campaigns can be done on WhatsApp. If proactively you can send to the customer, hey, we are running a campaign, you want to, do you want to have a look? Unfortunately, that is not possible in WhatsApp. There are some workarounds, but WhatsApp is very strict in its policy in terms of disturbing the customer using marketing campaigns. I mean, even today, I'm sure you're not getting any marketing campaigns on your WhatsApp. So that rule holds true even now. The only thing is you can send proactive updates to the customer. When I say proactive updates, customer placed an order, you can send them an update of the order status, shipment status, payment status, all these things can be sent. But you cannot send him a promotion that you're running. But if he messaged you, you can send him anything, right? So it's all about marketing that particular number and making him say hi. No, like for the example that I showed you, the live demo I showed you where the customer said hi, then you can send him marketing campaigns. That's something that WhatsApp, as it as a rule. And third is, of course, assigned to an agent. You saw that the agent was getting assigned. That assignment can be based on the skill set of the agent or based on the options that is selected by the customer. And of course, we also have some client-side actions. You can actually open some external URLs and so on, widgets and so on, using the bots, right? So that covers it. These are some quick things. You can see on the left-hand side, the bot is talking to the customer on Arabic. I'll just take a pause here so that you can see this thing. And there is a triggering API or sending an update to the customer. So this is the proactive message that I was talking about, right? So there is an order that I placed in ShopClues, and you can see the order update comes to me on WhatsApp, like a message like this, along with the invoice attachment. And you can see assign to an agent. Once I assign to agent, the conversation continues. Yeah. So I'll just take a pause here and let you guys watch this. Right. You can keep posting the questions. We'll be happy to handle that towards the end. Now, quickly, let me go to the chat platform itself and show you other capabilities of chat. Now, you can see the chats are coming. So we saw the front end of things, right? How customer comes in, how he's talking, what he will experience, what channels he can use, and so on. Now we see the back end of things where the sales executive will be sitting or the management could be sitting, and they will be saying, all these conversations coming in, right? One of the primary things, like I was saying again and again, is that WhatsApp conversations come in, there's a lot of ownership. So I am an agent who will be signed into Freshchat account. Once you sign up for Freshchat, you will get access to a URL like this, and this domain, the URL can be customized for your domain. Immediately, you can go to your inbox, and once your WhatsApp integration is complete, the chats will start pouring in, right? Now, once the chats are coming in, there are multiple folders in which it will be coming in. First of all, any conversation that comes in, a new conversation, will be in the new folder first, right? And then I can go ahead and manually assign that to a particular agent. So let's say there is someone called Ram Prasad that is coming, and there is a conversation that's happening, right? Now I can assign it manually. Now, if there's a bot in the front end, then the bot can automatically assign it to the right agent based on the query from the customer, right? So I'm going to assign it to a sales team and also to a particular agent there, right? So you can see the conversation went out of the new bucket and it will go to the assigned bucket. So if I go to all assign, you can see that Ram Prasad conversation is now assigned to Ahmed. And you can see this conversation was assigned to the group sales by Vaishnavi. And this has been assigned to a particular agent as well. And when Hamad actually logs into the system, he can actually get a notification in his mobile also saying, hey, a chat has been assigned to you and you need to talk to your customer. By the way, this platform is also, we provide iOS and Android apps as well. So your executives can actually respond to these chats on the go using the mobile itself. So in the mobile, there'll be a notification saying, hey, a chat has been assigned and you need to talk to the customer. So I can go ahead and type my response here and send it to the customer. Now let me not do it here. I do it in my. So this is where the response, and once the response is sent, you can see the double tick and two tick and the scene icon. So this is the typical WhatsApp, right? So you can actually see if the message got delivered to the end customer and the message was seen by the end customer or not, right? And suppose I'm talking to the customer and I realize, hey, you know what, this actually needs to go to some other agent, man. This is not my deal or something like that, right? Or you want to assign it to another team. You can do a quick assignment right here, right? Now, before assigning, I can also add some private notes. Private notes are like sticky notes that are not visible to the end customer. I can add it something like this. So you can see this is yellow in color. Now this yellow notes will not go as a response to the customer, right? So when these yellow notes are visible only to the internal teams. Now you can also attach files and send to the customer, right? You can even send emojis. You can even insert images, typical WhatsApp functionalities that you can do. Of course, canned responses are like ready-made templates that are used in customer support part of the world. it also holds true for WhatsApp as well. So if you have a canned response, you can simply insert that and send it to the customer. Now, because of integration, you can see you're also using WhatsApp set of features and also Freshchat set of features. Canned response is something that comes along with Freshchat, right? Now, so yeah, this is about the response part. On the right hand side, like I said, you can see the WhatsApp name of the customer. When a bot is talking to the customer, it actually can take the actual name of the customer and email ID and update all these information. And because it's WhatsApp, we are capturing the WhatsApp phone number. Now, I can create an entire ticket out of this entire conversation after finishing the conversation with the customer, right? So when I create it, I can assign it to the right team at this point itself. Now, there are some teams that need to work on the conversation, but they're not part of Freshchat. Now, how do we do that? Now, in a lot of companies, the sales executive will be talking to the customer, or customer support representative will be talking to the customer. But the actual team that needs to work on this particular conversation is someone who's sitting in the back end, and generally they won't talk to the customer. Like, your finance guys or your internal teams, generally whom you don't expose to your end customer. For those people, we create something called leads in Freshsales or tickets in Freshdesk, right? So you can see there are a couple of systems that I've integrated to, and I've created tickets out of them. So you can see there is a conversation with Vaishnavi that is already been created as a ticket. So I'm just going to open that conversation. So you can see there's a ticket that is created. Now, in case of a CRM, it's going to be a lead. And you can see the entire WhatsApp conversation will be copied into the ticket, and it can be automatically assigned to the right group that can take care of it. It can be sales, finance, IT, etc. So I'm just going to update this. So immediately this ticket will be assigned to the right person. Now you can see this for the conversation, there are multiple tickets that have been created, right? And you can see on the right hand side, the timeline that I promised you, right? You can view all the activity of the customer. How many times he chatted with you? What are the various conversations? How many times a ticket has been created for that conversation? For this particular customer, he has chatted with you multiple times. You can see on this particular date, that is, just created 39 minutes ago, hour ago, and so on. You can see created month ago, date 24th December. The entire timeline is visible to you, so that you can do the right actions on this particular lead, right? So this is very important. Let me also show you another timeline, which shows you the, from multiple channels, if they come, how does it work? So this is Freshdesk, or omni-channel platform. You can see all these tickets coming from multiple platforms like Facebook, a call, even an abandoned call will be converted into a ticket. So you can see there is again Facebook and so on. Let me just go ahead and open this particular ticket so that you can see on the right hand side the entire time. So when it comes to integrating with calls, we actually attach the entire call recording also into the ticket. Now you can see on the right hand side, this particular timeline is pretty interesting. This, you can actually see how many times this person came, and he has called you, and she's probably reached out to you. See, she's filled out a form on the website, and she has responded to your customer satisfaction rating. She sent an email out to you. She's chatted with you, again come on the website, and so on. This is an interesting timeline to look out, right? And in this case, you can see she also chatted with you, right? So this is the kind of timeline you're looking at, and this is very, very essential, when you're making some analysis on this kind of data. Now, back to WhatsApp, we also provide a dashboard, right? So what is the, in dashboard, you can actually see what are the, how many conversations are coming in, and you can actually, just a minute, I'll just show you. Yeah, you can actually see how many chats the sales team is working on, and so on. Right? You can put some filters. This is a live dashboard that only the admin has access. So the management can just sit here and see what are the total conversations coming in, and how is your CSAT survey working out? What is the average response time, and so on, right? Let me go ahead and open this. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Maybe we'll start taking the questions, and that could take some time. Just a minute. I'm seeing a lot of questions. Yeah, we can connect multiple WhatsApp number. That is possible.
That's from
I think,
Mahesh. Yeah.
yeah, we covered that. Okay.
There is a question from Ibtisam also, who wants to know, he says, do I have to have fresh chat for automated messages on WhatsApp?
Okay. So if you want to have just a welcome message on WhatsApp, then you can actually set it up in WhatsApp itself. But if you want to have more, then you definitely need fresh chat. Just a welcome message, it's possible with WhatsApp. I think in your WhatsApp business account itself, you can set it. But for automated messages that you just saw right now, right? Where the bot is talking to the customer and there is so much going on between the bot and the customer, all automated, then you need fresh chat and Freddy.
All right. In the Q&A, there's a question from Someshwar. He's from Hyderabad, and he says, I'm a digital entrepreneur and I'm into online digital video education. Would this help me build my community?
Okay. Definitely. So if you are setting up a business, and especially if it's you're going to start it right now and so on, you can actually buy a few licenses of fresh chat, depending on how big your team is with respect to supporting your WhatsApp customers base. And after that, you can start pulling your chats, right? Now, there are also some other products that I would recommend for a business that has just started up. But when it comes to SMB, we found WhatsApp to be very useful after integration. Simply because the customer expectations are just too high. Especially they want WhatsApp support in every business. It doesn't matter what kind of business that is. So with just, let's say, $25 of fresh chat license, and based on your number of sessions in Freddy, you'll be able to talk to your customers seamlessly and provide a great experience to your customers, right? Yeah.
Okay. Also, Ali wants to know, how do you compare Freshworks with Zoho and HubSpot?
Okay. With respect to WhatsApp and Freddy, I think, like I said, Freddy has the own advantages of codeless platforms and so on. So I think that's where we stand out when compared to our competitors. That's why many of the customers in the region prefer Freshdesk, simply because the usability of the product. You can see this product right here, and you can see how easy it is to use, right? It's a very user-friendly interface and so on. And Freddy, the codeless platform. So these two are the primary advantages of using Freshdesk product.
All right. There's another question from Ibtisam. He says, I want to use WhatsApp for business to market music. Is it not possible to send links to new music via WhatsApp without contacts messaging me first?
Yeah, that's not possible. So like I said, think about your own WhatsApp number and how many marketing campaigns you are getting on your WhatsApp number, like zero, right? So it's not possible to send marketing campaigns on WhatsApp. But there are some other interesting ways in which you can do it. If you have a WhatsApp number and if you broadcast those messages, you can actually send a lot of automated messages to your active contacts that are not more than 24 hours old. So to them, you can send a lot of, whenever you add a video or music, then you can definitely send that.
Okay, there is one more question from somebody who is having a chain of restaurants in UAE and would like to know how Freshworks can be used by them to fulfill customer expectations. Okay.
So we have a lot of POCs or live accounts in the Middle East for restaurant chains, like pizza delivery and so on. Now, there are a couple of POCs that we did and that went live as well. One is knowing the restaurant order status and or reserving a table in a particular restaurant. So all these restaurants will have websites where we market the WhatsApp number or we have the fresh chat widget. Either way, the bot will quickly take the customer name, phone number, and send and it'll do in the back end, it'll talk to the system and say, hey, your order number so and so is on the way, it's going to be delivered. right? So this is a very important use case when it comes to restaurant chain. And if you want to deliver, go ahead and book a table in a restaurant nearby, or book a order itself, all those order taking capabilities, everything can be done with the Freddy platform itself. So again, the bot needs to be configured based on that. So what we generally do is we talk to the business, understand the capabilities, and configure the flow in the Freddy for them and give it to them. Yeah.
All
Yeah,
right,
definitely.
great. Chaminda wants to know this, what is the latest news about privacy policies of WhatsApp?
Yeah. So the privacy policy update of WhatsApp has been postponed for till May. That's the latest news. But nevertheless, so what WhatsApp wanted to do was they wanted to share the metadata with Facebook and its group. So when I say metadata, you see the messages are secure. All your messages, your calls that you do in your WhatsApp, everything is secure, even till today, just like till today, right? But your metadata, like your phone number or your location, could be shared simply because they want to do some marketing again, and so on. When I say phone number and location, you can see this phone number. It's been sent to Freshchat also, so something like that, right? But we are very sure that WhatsApp will not do anything that will. In fact, the very reason that they have gone back on this particular policy shows that they will not do anything that will scare the customers away. For them, the customer base is more important. And it is actually one more reason for you to integrate with Freshchat, in my opinion. You're not, so if you're integrating with the platform and not just, you're not just leaving the messages on WhatsApp, you can see all these messages are picked up in Freshchat also. So you can actually go back to it, and there is another DB of chat for you, that which is owned by you, because it's a SaaS based platform, right? So yeah, that's where we see. I don't think anything will happen which will ruin the WhatsApp business for WhatsApp itself. Yeah.
All right. Govind is asking, can you combine social media, WhatsApp marketing with your system?
Social media, WhatsApp marketing.
Yeah. Social media and WhatsApp marketing. Yeah.
Yeah. So social media, yeah. Like I said, this particular platform, that is Freshchat, can be integrated with Facebook as well. And Freshdesk itself can be integrated with, when I say Facebook, Facebook Messenger, right? So this is an omni-channel chat platform. You can think of any chat platforms like Facebook Messenger. So if you have a Facebook page in which customers are coming and chatting with you, then that also can be picked up here. And of course, we also integrate with Twitter direct messages in Freshdesk. And Instagram post also we integrate with. We integrate with YouTube comments. So much. If you have a social media managing platform on your own, like Hootsuite, then we have a direct integration with Hootsuite as well. So yes, it is possible. You combine social media.
Yeah. The next question, if I may move on, is from Shambhavi, who wants to know what the costing looks like.
Okay. Your integration with WhatsApp is actually free of cost for the first number. So if you simply want to integrate, I'll also walk you all through the process of integration with of WhatsApp and Freshchat, right? Now, typically customers come in with a WhatsApp business number and they say they want to integrate. Now we'll put you across to our WhatsApp team that we have internally to our organization, and they will get it done for you in not more than 5 to 7 working days, right? Now, these are the two important things that they will ask from you. They will ask for your Facebook Manager ID. When I say Facebook Manager ID, this typically that is something that Facebook will give to you. Your social media team or your marketing teams will have it. So that is number one. And secondly, they'll ask you to choose a name for your business account that is in line with your business. I know you cannot be something like you cannot be in the hospital industry and you have a hospital name, but you can't call yourself as an emergency helpline, right? They have some restrictions on that. The team will guide you through all that. And once you choose a name for your account, once you choose your logo for your account, and then you're in. So there'll be a call where OTP verification will happen, and with that, the integration will be done. So we will take your Facebook Manager ID and your logo and the name of your business account and submit it to Facebook and wait for their approval. Once they approve, we'll do OTP verification with you online, on call basically. And after that is done, the integration will be done, and you will see the WhatsApp messages will start pouring into Freshchat, right? So this is how it happens. When it comes to costing, we work on a license model. Now, it all depends on how many how many agents you want to work, whom you want to log into Freshchat and they want to talk to the end customer, right? Suppose you have 20 agents, then we will charge based on that. So typically Freshchat licenses are about $25. So you can multiply with that with the number of agents that you want. We also provide multiple plans. So you can go through the plans that you just go to Google and search for Freshchat pricing, and you will see a lot of plans. You can even choose the most basic plan, and still WhatsApp integration can be done. Apart from that, Freddy has a separate costing, right? So Freddy means, the Freddy bot. Freddy bot works on sessions. So if you have, let's say, 1,000 customers coming to you on WhatsApp, then I think we charge $100. That's it. Yeah. So it's based on the number of sessions. Yeah.
Okay, can we just move on to another question from Sandeep in Dubai? He wants to know if you have any case study or proof of concept you've done for any healthcare organization in UAE.
Yeah, we do have a couple of use cases of POC, but I'm not sure if I can share the name. So I'll maybe if you can kindly mail to us, we will we'll refer those names to you. Yeah.
All right. Great. And there's one more question from Levlin who wants to know if you track spam messages through WhatsApp Business.
Okay. Spam messages, no. Unfortunately, we do not track spam messages. We do a direct integration, so all your messages will be picked up within within Freshchat itself. So you cannot block or spam them.
All right. Rohit Kumar is asking, how do you differentiate from Twilio?
Right. Okay. I'm not really sure about the specifics of Twilio capabilities, but I think it has to do with the Freddy bot builder. I'm not sure about Twilio's Freddy bot builder, sorry, any bot builder that they have. But maybe we can send out an email to you if you can kindly drop a mail to me on that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I think we have covered all the questions from the audience. I'll give you another minute. If we missed out on any, please post them in the Q&A or chat. And there is just one poll that I'd like the audience to complete before we sign off. It's really very straightforward. Would like to know if you are interested in a customized demo, or you need any more product literature, or you want to have a salesperson contact you, or just all of the above. Cybergear is now marketing all the Freshwork products in UAE. So I'm happy to be your contact to take any inquiries forward. And I guess you know how to reach out to me. And on a housekeeping note, I want to once again thank the entire audience, Vaishnavi for a very insightful presentation delivered at the speed of thought. I'm still digesting everything that you said, but it was very educative and informative. So thank you, Vaishnavi, for your presentation.
Thanks, Sharad. Thank you so much. Thank you for hosting us.
And just before I sign off, we have some more webinars coming up. In fact, one this afternoon, and then a few in February. So all you need to do is go to onlywebinars.com, click on the calendar. You will see all the forthcoming webinars. Please register yourself, and we look forward to welcoming you again in another session. And Freshworks is also planning to host another webinar towards end of February. We'll keep you informed of that one as soon as we finalize. And thank you for spending your 1 hour with us this morning. And stay safe, and look forward to seeing you again soon. So bye for now. Thank you.
Thank you all.